Hi, how to print to 2 printers or more at once. For example, I have a PDF document here, open in Adobe Acrobat, and click on File, Print, and select Carbon Copy Printer. Click Print, and it will actually print it on these 2 printers here. So you can see it's on the Xerox and this brother printer here. And I can do that again. So I can show you how to set this up. So first of all, you need Carbon Copy Printer software. That's available on our website. Once you have it installed, to set up, you first select your initial printer that you want to print to. So click on the down, and then you select your printer. So in this case, I'm going to do the Xerox Work Center. Click the plus button to add multiple printers. And in this case, I'm going to select the Brother MFC. I can show you it here. So it's added that one on to the end. Now trays, I just want to blank that out because I'm just going to print to the default tray. And that's it. It's all set up. Just close to save the settings. Now you can print any file from any software to that Carbon Copy Printer, and it will print out 2 copies on those printers. So for example, I'm just going to print the first 3 pages. It's a Carbon Copy Printer. So you can see those 3 pages there, the 3 pages there that are printed to those 2 printers. There's many other features in this software, so you can print just 1 page at a time and things like that. Give it a try.